Hello everyone. Today we shall talk about something super exciting. Cursor AI, an AI powered code editor that's taking the development to the next level. If you have ever used Visual Studio Code, you are going to love this because Cursor AI is quite similar to VS Code with built-in AI features that make coding faster and smarter. In this video, I shall walk you through everything: how to download it, install it, explore its basic features, and even use to create a basic application from scratch using a simple prompt. So grab your coffee. If you are new to channel, kindly subscribe it and hit that like button if you are excited. Cursor AI is a code editor built by a company called Anysphere, and it is designed to make code easier with artificial intelligence. It's packed with AI tools like smart autocomplete, code generation, and even a chat feature to ask questions about your code, which uses powerful AI models like GPT-4 and Cloud to help you write code faster and debug smarter. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we need to download Cursor AI. You need to head over to this website cursor.com and click on download. If you are downloading for Windows, you can click on here. I have already downloaded it. Okay, double click on it to install. Accept, next, next. I check this option. Click on next, install. Okay, click on finish. Okay, so my default keyboard VS Code. Language for A, specify non-English language for A, we don't need to specify. Okay, code base file enabled. Okay, we click on continue. Okay, it is asking to import extension from VS Code. So we start from scratch. Continue. Okay, we need to log in. Click on login. We can log in using a Google account. Okay, yes, logged in. Okay, we have logged on to Cursor. So let's get back to ID. Okay, Cursor AI code editor is installed and you will see its interface something similar to VS Code. Currently, it is showing me Go Unlimited plan. I click on it. So it shows us three plans: free, $20, $40. We don't have that much money for now, so we will go with free plan. Okay, click on open project. We go to this path, cursor demo, I select folder. As soon as I have opened the folder, on the right side it's showing me a chat window. And on the left side, you see a file explorer window, something similar to VS Code. If chat window is not available, you can press Ctrl L keys and it will be available. Okay, we have empty folder cursor demo. So let's put some prompt here to create code for us. You can even provide your voice as a prompt. For example, you can click on Windows Edge. So it will open this small window and you can provide your voice prompt through this. Okay, my prompt is create a React to-do list application. It should allow adding, viewing, and marking tasks as complete. Use functional components and hooks. We select agent from here because agent will do that for us. We just have to allow to run the commands. Here we can select our model. So there are different models here. We may get high load error with 3.7. So let's select 3.5. Okay, click on send. It has started generating code. It is asking us to run the command. We will click on run command. It asking for package name. Let's keep it like this. It asking for to run npm install command. This is the beauty of agent, that it will ask everything in small steps. It will do for us, but will ask for our permission. So click on run command. Also accept it. I accept it. Now it is installing the package and it also has added some file in our project. Okay, it's generating necessary components. Just keep doing accept. I ask him do whatever you want to do. Okay, it's saying the development server is running and you can access it by the application URL shown in the terminal with this URL. So let's click on it. Okay, it has created to-do list for us. Testing to-do list. Okay, it is adding to-do list. Second to-do list. Need to subscribe my channel. Click add to do. Okay, so it has created a very basic to-do app using React. I give another prompt. I need to-do list name and multiple items under a list. Create separate pages for each to-do list. Okay, run command. It has all the information about my existing file, so it makes necessary changes. I accept all. Accept. The beauty is it is telling each step. You can see it is providing information about different pages like home page, to-do list page, individual to-do list page, navigations. Let's go back to the page. Add like first to-do list, second to-do list. I click on first to-do list and it has opened different page, right? So my this list item is to subscribe my channel. Please click to do. Let's learn together with code canvas with Tosif. Okay, and I want to go back to my list and list. So let me ask it to fix it. When I go back to lists pages from a specific list page, it goes away. Okay, it says I see the issue are currently stored in component level state. So use state, which means data is lost. So it is fixing it. I accept it. It has made several changes to fix it. Okay, it says everything will persist because the state is maintained in the parent app component. Okay, let's get back to our browser. I create first to-do list, second to-do list, third to-do list, and I go inside first to-do list. I add item, subscribe my channel. Let's learn together. I click on back to list to see if data is not lost. Okay, so data is maintained. So it has fixed this issue. It's a beautiful. No, I want a header on this page. So let's get back to cursor AI. Okay, I want a header component for these pages as well. So it has just started generating. Accept it. Okay, it has added a consistent header across the application. Okay, let's get back to our page. Second list, third list. Okay, we go inside the first list and it is showing header something like this now. We can add item for each list here now. First item, second item, third item. Okay, I go to our list and showing me 3 items. Okay, we want few more pages. For example, I ask it, make it a proper website, add about us and contact pages as well, and left navigation panel. Click on accept. Accept all. It is suggesting if we want to make adjustments to the design. I say yes, do it. It is adding some hover effect, transitions, and improving overall user experience. Accept, click on accept. It is done with contact pages. Now it is updating about page. Okay, it has done some changes. So let's verify. Okay, we can see we have left navigation panel and hover effect. It's about to-do list tab page. It's a contact page. Okay, it has applied with HTML5 validation. So apparently it looks cool app now. You can keep using prompts to enhance your application. Okay, that's it for today. We created a functional React to-do list application with just a simple text prompt using Cursor AI. This is just a taste of what this amazing code editor can do. Imagine how much time you can save by using AI to generate boilerplate code, explore different approaches, and speed up your development process. Cursor AI isn't going to replace the developer. It's an incredibly powerful tool to empower developers and make coding faster and more efficient. Right? Let me know in the comments what do you think of Cursor AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you never miss more such tutorials. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.